Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Dominican recipe. You guys requested more Dominican recipes, so I am here to deliver. So I am making a Dominican style steak. So we cook this with onions and peppers. So some people just use onions, but the peppers add so much flavor. So this is called bistec. It is so delicious. We eat it with rice and beans, with rice, with peas, you know, and even tostones, which is the fried plantains. It is so good, so easy to make. It can take a little time, like an hour, because you have to let the meat tender and whatnot, but it is so easy and I know you will love it. So let's get started. So guys, what I have here in this bowl is my meat. I am using cube steak. So you know me, I already rinsed it, that's why it looks this color. And to that meat we are going to go ahead and season it. I am using soy sauce, ground oregano, chicken bouillon powder, which is like the adobo, minced garlic, black pepper, and lime juice. If you don't have lime juice, you can use vinegar. And we are going to mix everything together until it is well incorporated. So this, you can cook it right away, or you can marinate it in the fridge if you want. So I'm just gonna cover it and I'm gonna let it marinate in the fridge for about 1 hour. And after 1 hour, I'm gonna cook the meat. So in a pan here, in a large skillet with high size, I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. I'm actually using corn oil. It's over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, you're going to go ahead and add your beef. Make sure that you also add the juices that were left over on the bowl. So the meat is gonna cook on its own juices. So you're gonna cover it, let it cook on medium-low until it has consume all the liquid. That took me like 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you're going to go ahead and flip the beef, and you're going to go ahead and add some water. Add the water, cover again, and let it simmer until the meat has absorbed the liquid. You're going to do this until the meat is nice and tender. So this took me 3 times. So each time I did it, I added 1 cup of water. So you need 3 cups of water in total. So I mean, it really all depends on the meat that you use and the cut of meat, how thin or how thick it is. So just keep an eye on that. And so after the meat cooked, it took me like 50 minutes. Yeah, 50 minutes. I'm going to uncover, flip the meat. I'm going to go ahead and add some sliced onions and peppers. Mix it all around. Add a little bit more water, like maybe 3 tablespoons, just so it could everything marinate all together. Cover it for about 2 minutes, and that's it. It is so good, guys. I promise you will love it. The recipe will be in the description box. If you make it, let me know if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for my future videos. Give it a like, share my videos, and I see you next time. Bye.